Introducing the ultimate kitchen powerhouse, the Ninja Mc1001 Foodi Possiblecooker Pro. This 8-in-1 marvel is set to revolutionize your cooking game, making the impossible possible. With the ability to replace a whopping 14 cooking tools and appliances, this go-to-cooker offers unrivaled versatility and convenience. Say goodbye to cluttered countertops and hello to a world of endless culinary possibilities. Say farewell to the need for multiple kitchen gadgets. The Ninja Foodi Possiblecooker Pro is a true kitchen superhero, replacing a slow cooker, steam oven, food warmer, non-stick pot, sauté pan, cast iron skillet, saucier, steamer, saucepan, stock pot, Dutch oven, roasting pan, bread maker, and utensil. Embrace the simplicity and elegance of having one appliance that can do it all. Here are the key features of Ninja Foodi Possiblecooker Pro. Sear and sauté with ease. Cooking up a storm has never been easier. Thanks to the bottom heating elements, you can now sear proteins and sauté vegetables right in the cooking pot, eliminating the need for transfers to the stovetop. Enjoy the convenience of a one-pot wonder that streamlines your cooking process and saves you time and effort. From cooker to oven, straight to the table, the Ninja Foodi Possiblecooker Pro seamlessly transitions from cooker to oven to table, offering unmatched functionality. Its removable cooking pot is oven-safe up to a sizzling 500 degrees Fahrenheit, allowing you to achieve a crispy finish on your dishes. Impress your guests with stunning culinary creations straight from the pot to the plate. Perfect for entertaining and feeding a crowd. With an impressive 8.5-quart cooking capacity, this powerhouse can handle it all. Prepare chili for up to 20 people, whip up 9 pounds of spaghetti and meatballs, or slow cook enough pulled pork for 30 mouth-watering sliders. The Ninja Foodi Possiblecooker Pro is your ultimate companion for hosting gatherings and making unforgettable meals. Triple fusion heat, the key to lightning-fast cooking. Prepare to be amazed by the revolutionary triple fusion heat technology. Cook up to a staggering 30% faster than conventional ovens with the perfect blend of bottom, side, and steam heat. More heat means more possibilities for incredible cooking experiences. Explore 8 cooking functions for endless creativity. The Ninja Foodi Possiblecooker Pro offers a versatile range of cooking functions. Slow cook, sear, sauté, steam, keep warm, sous vide, braise, bake, and proof. Embrace your inner chef and unleash your creativity in the kitchen with this culinary masterpiece. Included utensil, the perfect sidekick. The convenience doesn't end with the cooking functions. The Ninja Foodi Possiblecooker Pro comes with a multifunctional utensil that doubles as a ladle and pasta fork. Plus, it has its own resting spot right in the lid handle. No more scrambling for utensils while cooking. Everything you need is right at your fingertips.